Okay. Carbohydrate, that is the hydration of carbon. Carbon and hydration means addition of water. Okay. So H2O is in 2:1 ratio. H2O is in 2:1 ratio, and carbon is similar. Their number is similar with that of the oxygen. Okay. So carbohydrate is also known as saccharides. It is also known as saccharides. So carbohydrate or saccharides are of four types. One is the monosaccharide. Second is the oligosaccharide. Oligo means few, from 2 to 10 or 2 to 10 or 2 to some, that means 7, 8, 10, etc. That is the few. Mono means single. Okay, and third one is the polysaccharide. Saccharide or carbohydrate are simple, but polycarbohydrate, this word is not used. Polysaccharide, this word is used. Okay, so monosaccharide, oligosaccharide, polysaccharide, that means more than, if the molecule contain more than 10 or more than 7, 8 structures, then it is known as the polysaccharide. Many. Poly means many. And glycerides are there. So these are the glycerides are nothing but the carbohydrate or saccharide. But to which other chemical beside this H2O, CH2O, other chemical nitrogen or other inorganic material is also included therein, and these are known as the glycerides. So derivatives of glyceride or saccharide or the carbohydrate derivative or saccharide derivative means the glyceride. Okay, so physical property, that means carbohydrate, generally what are the carbohydrate? You know, maize flour, wheat flour, etc. All types of flour are carbohydrate. Okay, and they are the starch. Okay, these are type of polysaccharide. Monosaccharide means glucose, fructose. These are the chemicals which are known as monosaccharides. Okay, and disaccharides are that may be the included in oligosaccharide, but it is actually disaccharide. Disaccharide is the sucrose. Sucrose is a disaccharide. You know that. So in sucrose there is one molecule of one monosaccharide and another monosaccharide. These two combine with the elimination of H2O, and these two is there. So the chemical made by two monosaccharide known as the disaccharide. Its example is the sucrose, its example is the maltose, its example is the lactose, milk sugar, malta, maltose, that means sprouted seed, the maltose is generated there. So it is also disaccharide. Sucrose is disaccharide. Okay, so in sucrose there are two monosaccharides, out of which one is glucose and another one is fructose. Okay, fructose, one glucose and one fructose with the liberation of H2O. So glucose is CH2O, fructose is also CH2O. So glucose and fructose are the hexose sugar, that means carbon number is 6. So carbon number is 6. Okay, so C6, 6 into 2, 12 and O6, C6H12O6. Okay, glucose and fructose. So because of the rotatory property of carbon, one is known as the glucose and other known as the fructose. Okay, so when these two monosaccharide, this is single saccharide, this is single monosaccharide, these two combine, and at this when these two combine, one molecule of H2O is removed. Okay, so you have to remove two hydrogen, so one from this and one from this, suppose, and one oxygen, suppose one from this. So how will be the total total number of atom in this molecule? 6 2, that means C 6 and 6 12, C 12, H how many? 11 and 11 22, and O 5 plus 6, that means O11. So C12H22O11 is the formula of sucrose. Okay, also the formula of maltose, also the formula of lactose, but these three are different. Their formula is same, but these molecules are different. It means that there is the change in पोजीशन ऑफ सम अदर केमिकल अटैच विद द कार्बन. कार्बन के साथ में कुछ केमिकल जो एटम अटैच है उसकी पोजीशन चेंज होती है. दैट्स व्हाई दे आर नोन एज द सेपरेट केमिकल. ओके, सो दिस इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ डाइसैकेराइड. सो टू मोनोसैकेराइड फॉर्मिंग अ डाइसैकेराइड. एंड इन केस ऑफ मोनोसैकेराइड आर दोज सैकेराइड विच कैनॉट बी फर्दर हाइड्रोलाइज, जिसको हाइड्रोलाइज नहीं कर सकते, मतलब HCl से हाइड्रोलाइज नहीं कर सकते, लेकिन इसको हाइड्रोलाइज कर सकते हैं. H2SO4 HCl से अगर इसको हाइड्रोलाइज करते हैं डाइसैकेराइड को, इसमें एक एसिड वगैरह डालते हैं, तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है, इसको एक ऑक्सीजन मिल जाता है और इसको एक हाइड्रोजन मिल जाता है. इसको दो हाइड्रोजन मिल जाते हैं तो ग्लूकोज और फ्रक्टोज सेपरेट हो जाते हैं. तो एडिशन ऑफ H2O, ग्लूकोज फ्रक्टोज सेपरेट. ओके, और रिमूवल ऑफ H2O, द ऑलिगोसैकेराइड और डाइसैकेराइड इज फॉर्म. Okay, but the monosaccharide is a single unit which cannot be further hydrolyzed, and disaccharides are those chemical which after hydrolysis give monosaccharide or oligosaccharides. Okay, so monosaccharide, and there is a single unit which is optically active. Optically active, I have told you that what is mean by optically active. So carbohydrate. So carbohydrate, sucrose means table sugar. Okay, table sugar is sweet in taste. It is the sweetest carbohydrate. So sugar, which is obtained from sugarcane, that is the sucrose, that is the disaccharide. So in a fruit, generally in fruit, monosaccharides are there, or you might have taste the Glucon-D or glucose powder available in medical store. That is the monosaccharide. They are the monosaccharide. And sucrose, that the sugar, saccharide means sugar. Okay, the sugar from sugarcane is disaccharide. Okay, and sugar in many fruit, sugar is sucrose, but in few there is the monosaccharide sugar. Okay, so monosaccharide sugar, glucose, etc. is obtained by chemical reaction on the disaccharide sucrose, which is available in plenty. बहुत ज़्यादा मात्रा में सक्रोज केन शुगर, मतलब अपनी शक्कर जो है वो तैयार होती है, उस पर केमिकल रिएक्शन करके, विच इज़ नॉट हार्मफुल फॉर आवर बॉडी, बट इट इज़ द केमिकल रिएक्शन इन विच दिस डाइसैकेराइड सक्रोज, इसको मोनोसैकेराइड में कन्वर्ट किया जाता है. एंड मोनोसैकेराइड देन अवेलेबल इन फॉर्म ऑफ डेक्सट्रोज. ग्लूकोज चढ़ाते हैं सलाइन से, या फिर ग्लूकोज का पाउडर मिलता है, विच गिव्स अस द इंस्टेंट एनर्जी. क्या होता है, अपन जब शक्कर खाते हैं, हाइड्रोलिसिस होता है, वहाँ एसिड रहता है HCl वगैरह, 5% HCl वगैरह वहाँ रहता है, तो वो क्या करता है, ग्लूकोज का, सक्रोज का, शुगर का, वो ग्लूकोज में कन्वर्शन करता है. अगर अपन ग्लूकोज ही खाते हैं तो उसको फर्दर, मतलब ग्लूकोज का और से मतलब मोनोसैकेराइड बनाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. ठीक है, तो डायरेक्टली रेस्पिरेशन के लिए अवेलेबल हो जाता है इन माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया इन द सेल. तो सेल के अंदर के माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया को इजीली वो, नहीं तो इसको सक्रोज अगर लिए डाइसैकेराइड, तो पहले इसको मोनोसैकेराइड बनाना पड़ता है. अगर आपने स्टार्च खाया, फ्लोर, व्हीट, चपाती, चावल ये वगैरह खाया आपने, these are also the source of carbohydrate. Okay, मतलब cereals, millets, rice, wheat, maize are the cereals, and sorghum, jwari, bajri, nachni, these are the millets. Okay, so cereal and millets are the source of carbohydrate. So in them they contain the polysaccharide. You have heard monosaccharide, disaccharide. Monosaccharide, glucose, fructose, monosaccharide. Disaccharide is sugar present in milk. Sucrose is the sugar present in sugarcane, and also in some sweet fruit, etc. are the plant part. Okay, Then there is polysaccharide, that means starch. Starch are the polysaccharide. Example of polysaccharide is starch. Glycogen is also the example of polysaccharide. This wood, where much cellulose is there, cellulose is also a polysaccharide. Okay, so these are the carbohydrates. Okay, polysaccharide. So it is hard to digest, but polysaccharide, but hard to digest. And polysaccharide, that is starch, glycogen, etc., they are easy to digest. So when we put some pinch of wheat flour on your tongue and keep it there for some time, then saliva mix with that starch, and saliva contains so many enzymes, it hydrolyze the polysaccharide starch into the disaccharides and the monosaccharides, and which in turn give you the taste sweet. Okay, so all these are sweet in taste. So if you consider the physical property, then it is crystalline, whitish one, and sometimes amorphous like starch, etc., and whitish in color, and sweet in taste. Okay, their melting point is from 100 over the 100, so 105, 100, 110, and up to 200 degrees centigrade. Their melting points is varied. Maltose is melt at high temperature, sucrose is melt at low temperature. Okay, so carbohydrate. So let's first study about the monosaccharide. Monosaccharides, so CH2O. Okay, so if you multiply it by 2, hydration of carbon. Okay, basic formula. If you multiply by 2, then C2H4O2. But this is not the formula of carbohydrate. From 3 and onward, 3 और 3 से आगे उसको कहते हैं कार्बोहाइड्रेट. तो मैं यहाँ लिखूँगा 3, तो यहाँ आएगा 3, और यहाँ आएगा 2 है तो यहाँ आएगा 6, और यहाँ 2 है तो यहाँ आएगा 3. 3 into 1 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. So C3H6O3, it is the example of carbohydrate, that is the monosaccharide, because this chemical cannot be further hydrolyzed. Okay, so this is monosaccharide. Okay, so the carbon number are 3, so that's why it is known as triose. If carbon number are 4, then 4, then it is 8, and here is 4, then it is known as the tetrose. If carbon number are 5, then it become the pentose. Okay, and carbon number are 6, C6H12O6, then it is known as the hexose. So these are the generalized word for the monosaccharide: triose, tetrose, pentose, hexose. These are the monosaccharide in which carbon number are 3, 4, 5, 6. ओके, सो 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 भी है. हेप्टुलोज और हेप्टोज, तो वहाँ कार्बन नंबर 7 रहते हैं, तो 7 या 14 और यहाँ पे 7. ठीक है, फिर बाद में 8, 9 वगैरह उतने ज़्यादा कॉमन ही है, 8, 9, 10 तक लेके, फिर उसके आगे है भी नहीं. फिर बाद में क्या होता है कि 2 ट्रायोज मिलके एक डाइसैकेराइड बन सकता है, 2 टेट्रोज मिलके एक सैकेराइड बन सकता है, या फिर एक पेंटोज मिलके एक पेंटोज और एक हेक्सोज मिलके डाइसैकेराइड बन सकता है. मतलब डाइसैकेराइड में क्या होता है कि 2 मोनोसैकेराइड रहते हैं. डाइसैकेराइड में 2 मोनोसैकेराइड रहते हैं. अगर समझ लो कि यहाँ और एक सैकेराइड है, तो इनके बीच में रिएक्शन है, तो हर रिएक्शन बॉन्ड फॉर्म होता है, तो H2O निकलता है. यहाँ से भी निकलेगा, यहाँ से भी निकलेगा. यहाँ सिर्फ अगर डाइसैकेराइड है तो सिर्फ एक ही H2O निकला. अगर ट्राइसैकेराइड है तो वहाँ से 3 H2O निकला. बट इट इज़ आर्टिफिशियल वन. इन नेचर देयर इज द डाइसैकेराइड, एंड डाइसैकेराइड इज आल्सो नोन एज द ऑलिगोसैकेराइड. ओके, सो देयर नंबर इज the combination of each monosaccharide are similar with the other. So generally it is not found that one is pentose and one is hexose, or one is triose and one is pentose, etc. If present, both are pentose. If pentose is not also common, hexose is common. So both are the hexose. Similar hexose, glucose with the glucose form the carbohydrate oligosaccharide, or glucose with the fructose form the oligosaccharide, that is the disaccharide. So it is known as the homo, that means in disaccharide both one is glucose and other is fructose. Sometimes there is glucose and there is also glucose. Suppose glucose, if you join, then this become the polysaccharide. Okay, polysaccharide, and it is polysaccharide in which all the repeating unit are same, that is the glucose. But in case of disaccharide, one is sucrose, one is glucose and another one is fructose. So it is a hetero, and it is a homosaccharides. I think saccharides or other word is there, I will tell you later on. But homo, and if there are different, then known as the hetero. In starch, there is starch is a polysaccharide in which glucose are there. Okay. So in maltose, both glucose are there, but in sucrose, one is glucose and one is fructose. So in maltose, two glucose attach, and with the liberation of H2O molecule. Okay. So these are the generalized word, triose, tetrose, but it has different type of tetrose are there, and one is the glyceraldehyde, and one is the dihydroxyacetone. So glyceraldehyde is the triose, because here 3 carbons are there, but their name is there, name is given to that compound, and one name is the glyceride, and if position of some atoms is changed, or structure is formula is similar, structure is changed, then one is known as the dihydroxyacetone. So in this saccharide, for being it's a saccharide, it should be the optically active. That means when polarized light is passed, then that through that substance polarized light rotate in clockwise direction or in anti-clockwise direction. When rotate in clockwise direction, it is known as the D form, and when rotate, अगर यहाँ से polarized light पास कर दिया, ठीक है, पोलराइज ये ऐसे मतलब क्लॉकवाइज जाता है तो वो डी फॉर्म, अगर वो एंटी क्लॉकवाइज ऐसे रोटेट होता है तो वो होता है एल फॉर्म. तो डी और एल फॉर्म, तो इन दोनों की प्रॉपर्टी भी अलग है. डी फॉर्म और एल फॉर्म के जो कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स हैं इनकी प्रॉपर्टी भी अलग रहती है. तो देयर आर वेराइटी ऑफ compounds is possible because of this carbon. Okay, so its structure is like this: CHOH, okay, and here CH2OH. So here is hydroxy group. So more than one hydroxy group, that is the polyhydroxy, and one group should be the aldehyde, one group should be the aldehyde और कीटोन. एक कीटोन या अल्डिहाइड रहना ही चाहिए. अगर वो कार्बोहाइड्रेट है तो एक अल्डिहाइड या फिर एक कीटोन, मतलब सी डबल बॉन्ड हो और से हाइड्रोजन भी निकाला तो सी डबल बॉन्ड हो जाता है तो कीटोन हो जाता है. तो अल्डोज या कीटोज एक ग्रुप चाहिए, तो एक कार्बन यहाँ इन्वॉल्व हो गया, और एक से ज़्यादा हाइड्रोक्सी ग्रुप चाहिए तो मतलब 2 कार्बन चाहिए. तो इसका मतलब कम से कम 3 कार्बन तो चाहिए, तब जाके वो फुलफिल करेगा द डेफिनेशन ऑफ और द डेफिनेशन और करेक्ट मीनिंग ऑफ दैट कार्बोहाइड्रेट. सो कार्बोहाइड्रेट इज aldehyde or ketone where it is a compound in which one functional group is aldehyde or ketone with polyhydroxy. So more than one hydroxy group. So polyhydroxy aldehyde or CH2, ये एक H इधर गया तो ये H एक इधर गया तो ये 2 H इधर गए तो समझ लो कि H2, ठीक है. अब यहाँ क्या रहा, ये C रहा और क्या रहा O और ये वाला H, मतलब समझ लो कि ये 2 H इधर गए, ठीक है, ये HO है तो मतलब OH, ठीक है। अब यहाँ से क्या है, दोनों हाइड्रोजन गए तो इस कार्बन में 2 डबल बॉन्ड तैयार होगा और यहाँ ऑक्सीजन आएगा, ठीक है, एक ऑक्सीजन, ये वाला हाइड्रोजन इधर गया, ये भी हाइड्रोजन इधर गया, H2, और ये OH इधर। अब यहाँ एक 2 एटम 2 बॉन्ड चले गए तो यहाँ डबल बॉन्ड, और फिर ये CH2OH, ये CH2OH ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, CH2OH। तो ये पॉलीहाइड्रॉक्सी with the ketone, functional group ketone, so it is also polyhydroxy ketone. It is polyhydroxy, more than one hydroxy aldehyde, and these structure are optically active. In CH3COOH, CH3COOH, how many carbon are there? C2. How many hydrogen are there? H4, 3 and 1. How many oxygen are there? O2. So it fulfill the empirical formula, that is CH2O, C means C2 into 2, C2 H4, 3 and 1 4, and O2. But this is not polyhydroxy. Polyhydroxy, but not the functional group of ketone or aldehyde. So that's why acetic acid, it is not considered as the carbohydrate. So from triose to and onward, then these are the carbohydrate. So polyhydroxy, aldehyde or ketone, and which is optically active, known as the carbohydrate. Okay, so when there is a single unit known as the monosaccharide, its example is triose, tetrose, pentose, hexose. If there is aldehyde, it is known as the aldose, and if there is ketone, known as the ketose. Okay, this is the dihydroxy acetone. It is dihydroxy acetone, and it is glyceraldehyde. So both these chemical have same formula, that means C3H6O3, but the position structure is changed. So that's why this is another chemical, this is another chemical with the different properties. Okay, so I think I have explained you it, but it has been there has been taken a very long time. So this is for a reminder, and I will add up the next video. If you continuously watching my video, then you will come to know all the things. Okay, for that you need to watch video. If not understood one time, if not understand one time, then you just repeat 1 or 2 times. If not understood, then you will call me, and you just ask me the question and clarify your questions. Okay, thank you. We will meet in next video, in next day. Okay, thank you.